Okay. Which of the following equation gives the relationship between the price in dollars, C, and the number of candies in a box of candies at Carrie's Chocolate Shop? Okay. Let's see here. C equals. This one's tough. I'm gonna take the numbers they give us in the chart. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Is this in view? Yeah. Okay. So they give us this chart up here, right? And then they ask us, which of the following equation gives a relationship between price, C, and candies N? So I'm going to take 5 and 150. Sorry, 5 and 150 because they give us those numbers, and just plug them in to each one of these until I get one that where if I put in 5 for N, it gives me 150 for C. Oops, sorry. I'm going to plug that in. So this first one is 0.2 N plus 0.5. C equals, which of the following equation gives a relationship? 5 and 150 is what we're aiming for. 5 and 1.5. Okay, so if I put in 5 for this, 0.2 times 5 gives me 1, plus 0.5 gives me 0.5. It gives me 1.5. Is it really that easy? There's no way. 0.2 times 5, right? 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, well, let's check out the next number and see if it still works. 10 and 250. 10 and 250. Okay, 10 times 2 is 20. With this decimal, I have to bring the decimal down, so it's 2.0 plus 0.5, so it's 2.5. That's 2 data points. I feel pretty confident, but let me just make super sure. 15, 350. 15 times 2 is 30. 0.5 is 3.5. Well, it was the very first one, so they knew we were going to plug and chug, and they helped us out. 14 and F. 14 is F. Okay, to round out the day, number 15. Which of the following is a solution to the equation x squared minus 36x equals 0? Again, I'm just going to plug and chug. 72. 72. That's a very awkward 72. 72 squared minus 36 times 72 equals 0. Now, if I do this out, that's going to be 72 times 72 minus 36 times 72 equals 0. Right, so because of this minus, what I can presume is that this number has to equal this number to get to 0, right? Like 1 minus 1 is 0. 100 minus 100 is 0. So these two numbers have to be equal. 72 times 72, 36 times 72, those are not going to be equal. So if I take this next one, it is 36. That's going to be 36 squared is 36 times 36 minus 36 times 36 equals 0. That's the same number. 36 times 36, subtract them, and they're going to equal 0. So it's going to be B. Number 15 is B. Yep. Okay, so that does it for this math video. Fill out the Google Doc with the answers to the equations, or the answers to the questions, and that'll get you some credit for today. If you have any questions about how I did those and you want me to redo them or go back and do them slower or anything like that, write that in your Google Doc. That's it for now.